work it, make it, do it, makes us harder, better, faster, stronger. More than power, never, ever, after, work it, over. Harder, better, faster, stronger. Work it harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger. More than ever, hour after hour, work is never over. Work it harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger. More than ever, hour after hour, work is never over.
I sped the blower up a little bit, so I made sure I had plenty of fuel going through it. Like, I jumped the fence going down the track. It was shooting fuel out the pipes. Number 8 was kind of going through there dead, then it cleaned up, dead, clean up. So I took it between where I was before and where I was for the first pass. Hopefully it cleans up, makes a nice pass.
Next to pull is Gary Burman. I've known this guy for quite a while. I don't talk to him very often, but we've been buddies for quite a while. He's the one that owns them 2 green machines. Man, that fucking thing's loud. Holy shit, I can't fucking hear anything. That's some serious horsepower. Hey, I got my drone with me. Do you care if I follow you down the track or something?
Not at all, that'd be cool.
Get some neat footage or something?
Sure, that would be neat.